This video provides a step-by-step tutorial on how to submit requests for accommodations. On the main page of the DS portal, click on Sign In under the Student and Staff box to access the portal. Once you have logged in, you will be directed to the overview of My Dashboard, where you'll be able to see current and past accommodation requests. Go ahead and on the far left side, under Accommodations, click on List Requests to start the process. Find the semester that you need accommodations for and click on Add Requests for the number of classes. From here, you can select what courses you need accommodations for and continue to the next step. This will break down each course where you can then go in and select accommodations per that course. You can also select all of them or go in by one. The other option is you can also click on Apply the same accommodations to all selected courses. So when you continue then the next step, it will condense the courses into one box. And from here, you'll be able to select which accommodations you want for all of those classes. After you've completed filling out the accommodations that you need per class, go ahead and submit the request. Once you submit the request, you will be prompted in the next window with a message at the top next to a green circle checkmark that reads Success, your action has been completed. This confirms that you have submitted the request for accommodations for the semester. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Disability Services.